Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. I gotta change up my opening here. It's just getting so the same. But anyway, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and its content, please hit the subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, you know the routine. I really appreciate it and thank you as always. And today I have a Tribe beauty bag. So you want to know what's in it? So do I. This is my second one. I think this bag comes every other month. So I get really confused with how it comes. But I do have a link if you want to save money off your first bag. And I know you're going to ask me how much it is. It'll be below here. So by the time I edit this video, you'll kind of see it flashing below. But it is a really nice box. And it comes with all these goodies. But I don't see a card. Oh, wait. Is that the first thing I took out? So I lied. It does come with the card, but comes with some really nice stuff. And I think it comes with 5 items. And it's worth the price. And when you sign up for it, you can, I think you get to choose an item, and you kind of get to see what's coming up, so you know. So the first thing is, I don't know why all beauty boxes do this. They give you a discount for wine. So do they think that people that do beauty boxes just love to drink? I don't know, but I'm not going to use it. But if you like to drink, there is a code for that. And the first thing that I see here is there's 12 mini masks and Sweet Retreat mini sheet masks. Oh, can you see that? There's little cupcakes, all sorts of fun little masks in there. Oh, an ice cream sundae. So we have some mini masks like that. And then I think I've gotten this before. It's the Skin Chemist. I guess if I read off the card, I would know. And I've been loving my new little magnifying glass. It's kind of a weird card. It looks like they made a bunch of these and just cut them off. Skin Chemist Rose Illuminating Peel Off Mask. A skin rejuvenating peel off face mask treatment to help exfoliate dead skin and reveal a youthful and smoother complexion. Skin is glowing, illuminating, and refreshed. So I am not going to use this because I think I actually have one of these. But it comes in a nice tube. You can see that. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put this on Mercari or if I'm going to put this in my giveaway. But it is nice, and I'm not sure if they put the retail prices on here or not. It doesn't look like they put the retail prices on here. I don't see that. But the next thing, ooh, it looks like lipstick. Velvet Matte by Pure. And I like the Pure brand of lipstick. This card is really confusing. Chrome Glaze in Rebel or Velvet Matte. This lightweight, highly pigmented lip color utilizes gel technology. And sorry, I'm looking at my card again. I'm already confused. Yeah, so I got the Velvet Matte. try it. And I think the next item is a mascara. Ooh, now that is a pretty color. So I'm gonna give this one a try. It looks darker on the little thing than it does in the bottle. It actually does go on real nice. I don't know if you can see it, if my light's in the way. I do like that. So that's a keeper. And then we have mascara double extra large. They obviously know my size. And this is by, just saw it, Glam Lash Mascara double extra large in black. And oh, it does have the prices. The Pure Cosmetic kind of tastes good. Retails for $18. The peel off mask, see this card is kind of cut off, is $43. Wow. The mascara is $29. And the lipstick was $18. And that mask was $5. I'm not going to use the mascara because I have so many of them, but it looks like a neat case. And then we have the big daddy. We have the palette. Look at the size of this palette. This is the Lorac Pro. And I think this is what we got to choose what color we wanted. And of course they have this all wrapped up. And this looks like, okay, the packaging on that was worse than the CDs that you would buy like at the store, and you have to bring them to the register to like cut it out before you can play them, because I struggled with opening that. So after spending an hour trying to open this, it's really nice though. It has a magnetic the case thing on there. These are the colors. You can see it, and this is the chocolate box. So I think there were two choices, and this is the chocolate box. I'm not gonna swatch it. There's like a highlighter, two highlighters. There's matte shades and the shimmer. But I don't know if they're for me. So as I said, I'm putting together for my 4,500 subscriber giveaway, and this will probably go in it. Let me know what you think. Would you like to see this in a giveaway, or is it too much eyeshadow? I'm looking at it. This, I don't know if that's just the color right there, but I don't see me using these colors. I mean, I would use like these colors in here. I probably wouldn't use the shimmers or these highlighters. It's a beautiful palette, and I know somebody could probably do this justice, but I don't know. I wasn't crazy about this month like I was, you know, this time like I was the last time. But we did get this palette. Oh, let me see how much this retailed for. So I'm thinking this might go in that giveaway. So we got the palette, we got the mascara, which is super. I'm keeping the lip. We got this great mask, or yeah, this was the mask, and this fun little sugar thing. And let's check out how much that, where is it? The Lorac Cosmetic Chocolate Bar Palette retails for $43.74. So, I mean, this is over $100 box. But I know I won't use the mascara. But I'm not sure what the other color palette looked like. But, you know, with all the palettes we get, this isn't one of my favorites. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you think this would be a great giveaway. And as always, thank you for spending some time with me, and you guys have an awesome day.